Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. This is a most requested video. Some of my followers and friends like I would definitely come up with some designs of crochet boho bags. Today I will show you these designs in this video because they are very stylish and trendy accessories that add a bohemian flair to any outfit. These bags are typically handmade using crochet techniques, giving them a unique and textured look. They are characterized by their relaxed and carefree vibe, making them perfect for casual and festival inspired looks. So you can, as you can see, the designs, they are very unique and very beautiful, so you can carry it whether you are in formal dress or in casual dress. Like, crochet boho bags come in various shapes and sizes, including tote bags, crossbody bags, and drawstring bags. They are often embellished with fringe, tassels, and beads or other bohemian inspired details. These bags are not only fashionable but also functional, providing ample space to carry your essentials while adding a boho chic touch to your ensemble. So whether you are heading to the beach, running errands, or attending a music festival, a crochet boho bag is a versatile and eye-catching accessory. So if you're planning to gift to someone else on the upcoming birthdays, and that would be a great idea. And if you're running a business, you can even introduce these bags into your business, so your sales will definitely grow up because these bags are really trending in nowadays. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and also and do let me know your favorite crochet boho bags from this video. And don't forget to press the bell icon button to get the latest video update. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.